Welcome back, guys. Today I really just wanted to do my makeup, so we're doing a little voiceover, y'all. That clip where I snapped the heck out of my hand, it hurt so bad. But yeah, I just be going through it. So first, I'm starting off with my brows. I'm gonna be going in with the Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Y'all, this stuff is the ish, and I can't wait to try the new product they recently released. I'll be chatting about it in an upcoming Sephora haul, so stay tuned. I cannot wait to film that for you all. But yeah, I'm shaping my eyebrows next, and I'm just going to be taking the Eye Sculpt Eye Shape Brown Pen by Juvia's Place to fill in my brows. They're a little sparse, and truth be told, I still love a bold brow, but I haven't had my brows done since like mid 2023, so I'm just making it do what it do. But yeah, to conceal my brows, I'm using Kylie Jenner's new concealer. It's the Power Plush Longwear Concealer in the shade 5.5 WN, and I really like this concealer. It's very creamy and easy to blend, so that is great. And I'm also just using a Real Techniques brush to blend the concealer out and using a spoolie to touch up the brow hairs. I'm also using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer brush and the same concealer to prep my eyelids for just a little eyeshadow. But before doing that, I'm taking a dry powder puff to blend the rest of the product out. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. It's such a freaking cute nude palette, but it is definitely on the expensive side, okay? So that's just to let y'all know. But I guess the quality is super, super good. So, of course, you get what you pay for. If it's going to be more expensive, you hope you get the top of the line quality. And one thing I can say is the eyeshadow is definitely blendable, and I'm not mad at it. For eyeliner, I'm using the Danessa Myricks Beauty Line Work Paintbrush fluid liquid eyeliner, and I was struggling. I don't know why, but when I don't do my liner in like a really long time, I really stink at it. So yeah, I also had to use the Kylie Cosmetics concealer again. Y'all, I've been using this concealer throughout the whole video pretty much, but I used it again to clean up my liner to make that a little sharper, and I also used a small Real Techniques brush to blend that out as well. And then to darken up my eyeliner, I use this MAC Cosmetics liner. And I also use the same liner in my waterline, which I freaking hate doing, but yeah, it really can elevate the look in my opinion. So it was necessary. For mascara, I'm taking the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit Cosmetics and just applying this all over my lashes. And then I'm just adding my Lily lashes. I can't really remember which set or style these were, but they're just like a really basic style, and I think they're cute. So now we are finally moving into the face. For my first primer, I'm using the Iconic London Blur Primer, and I'm just using a few drops. After that, I'm using the Lawless Set the Stage Primer, which so far I like this primer, especially now that my skin is a little on the dry side due to my pregnancy and just this freaking harsh winter weather as well. Y'all, I'm sick of the weather. Like, I love winter and I love fall, but right now I could use some warmth, some heat, and I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm rambling. So for color correction, I'm using the Bobbi Brown color corrector. I think it's the shade Peach, but I'm not sure. After applying the color corrector, I used my Kylie Cosmetics brush to blend the product out, and I went over some of those same spots with another shade of Kylie's concealers. And I really love this shade. It's pretty close to my skin tone and had a really nice blend on it. And I used the same concealer brush, but then I got tired of using it and went on to the foundation brush because it was just taking too long for me and I needed to hurry it on up. Then I use one of my fave products from Fenty Beauty, the Skin Tint. I like this product so much just because it's lightweight and I really don't too much like wearing foundation right now. And oh, for that spray, I just sprayed my skin before blending the Skin Tint also. Now I'm going to be concealing under my eyes and blending this out as well. And I use a beauty puff to finish blending and making sure the product is pretty much pushed into the skin. And then I added a little bit more eyeliner and also applied mascara to the bottom lashes as well. For blush, I'm using this liquid blush by, I think it's Say. I'm not sure, but I feel like I pronounce it wrong every time, so I'm gonna say it's Say. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then, yeah, I went over it with a powder blush, and y'all, it was kind of too much. So I toned it down with my foundation brush and added some brown concealer a little under it. So it ended up working out because I got lucky. But if you're trying this look at home, don't go so hard with the blush, okay? Because you might just end up looking crazy. Now I'm using my favorite lip liner by MAC Cosmetics in the shade Chestnut. Y'all, if they ever stop making this shade, I'm gonna go crazy because I just use this all the time, so I know I would freaking lose it. My final lip product is by Maybelline. It's the Superstay Vinyl Ink line, which I really like. I have a video trying on several of these colors. You guys should definitely check that out. Last but not least, I'm just going to set my makeup in place with some setting spray. And this is pretty much the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments below. If you made it to the end and you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.